Wouldn't it be great if you and your contract managers from ABB could get a shared view of your facility? And if you could plan maintenance work together and find out in good time when it's time for service or what spare parts are available? With myABB, you can do exactly that. myABB is a portal using various modules developed to your needs. You simply select the modules that are relevant to you and put them in the order that is most useful to you in your daily work. Thanks to valuable feedback from our customers during the development phase, we can offer a system with relevant functions for you. In the Installation Summary module, you get an overview of the status of your installations, graphically represented by a pie chart. The different sectors of the pie chart show the life cycle phases that the components of your facility are in. The active phase offers full product support, spare parts, and updates, whereas the classic phase allows for updates with more limited opportunities. The limited phase indicates that it is time to replace components before they reach the obsolete phase, where no guarantees can be made. By exploring My Installations, you'll not only get a good overview but also save time. It gives you access to your installations and a list that you can easily export to an Excel spreadsheet for convenient data handling. It is also possible to view your installations in a tree structure, where you can click your way through to get details about the service history, planned maintenance, associated spare parts, related documents, and available training. You can also edit the installation tag to use the same name as in your particular facility. If you have multiple facilities, the Sites module gives you a clear overview of these on a map. In this module, you will also find your ABB contact details, your service contracts, and shared documents. Upcoming recommended services will help you work proactively with service by showing what maintenance is scheduled when. And service agreements will help you keep track of the scope and duration of your service contracts and other documents relevant to your agreements. As a service contract customer, you will have myABB available to you online anywhere and anytime. Once you get started with the portal, you can be sure to get a heads up well in advance for upcoming service events and to get a clear overview on your installed base. Together, we ensure that your facility always has optimal performance and stays in perfect condition. Get in touch with your ABB contact and get your myABB user account today.